Alright, so we're pulling up to the first location right now, guys. Friday night, we already got 2 cops coming in. It's like a little parade and shit. We're pulling up to the next location right now. As you can see, there's a lot of cars and they're already swinging as we speak. Check it. Whew, it's lit out here right now. Now there's already cops coming in, so we're out. Everybody's running, guys. We're going on to the next location now. It's active out here right now, but it's packed, guys. There's a cop! There's a cop right there! There's a car crash right here! Oh my god, there's a cop right there too! There's a cop right here! The car crash literally just happened right here, right now, guys. Damn! That was crazy, that was crazy. Mustang that has the cop lights on top, guys, but he was on the freeway smashing and his cop lights fell off, so now he's just a normal Mustang. We got the cop coming in. He's out. All right, so we got the chopper. We have 2 cops. So now everybody's right now running. We're on the way to the next location. Leave me alone, please.
This is Mexico Street.
We got my boy out here with the headband today. Hey, no, hey. Nike gang, let's go. Oh, someone is lifting to the car meet. That's smart. That's smart. Hey! Oh, it's so low! It's so low!
Alright, stop what you're doing, cause I'm about to ruin.
We got the cops. They're going after your homie with the Mustang. They're going after your homie. We got the party right here. They were going after the homie with the Mustang. The helicopter's chasing him. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Party of two, guys. Party of two. Got the guy that smacked everybody with the G8. Hey, nice meeting you, bro. Alright, so we left the meet. We got the chopper up here. He finally turned off his lights. We're gonna go check up on the homie with the Mustang. Oh, yeah. They're right there, guys. They got 2 police cars on them right there. We passed by right now and they were in handcuffs, so we're gonna go check it out what's going on right now. Make sure that these motherfuckers ain't abusing their power right now. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. We're out here with the 4 gear, 4 gear, 8. And then stay tuned for the vlogs. We're gonna be turning up for my birthday, November 18th. I already started celebrating since last week. So we're gonna go out to the club this week, and then we're gonna go turn up next weekend. So make sure to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Let's go. Yeah, drunkies. They didn't have Takis, so I'm be trading them today for some flaming hot. So they're right there, guys. Right now we came to the liquor store and we're on our way back. Alright, guys. So a little update: the driver's in custody already, and these 2 guys have been there for a while. My drink is warming up, and he's drinking beer in front of the cop, even though you can't see him. Stay tuned because he's coming out in my party vlogs this Saturday and next Saturday as well. Alright, guys, so we're closing out the vlog right here. They're gonna take he's a free man, by the way. He was in the Mustang. They let you go, why? Huh? They let you go clean? Yeah. Okay, good. So they're gonna end up taking the Mustang in and the driver as well. So we're out of here. Hold up. Okay, so what did they give you a ticket for? For spectating. So it's real, guys. You do get tickets for spectating. He's a living proof right here.